Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Karthik. In today's video, we will talk about the company OpenAI. Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than ever, and one company stands at the center of it all. That is OpenAI. From deep learning breakthrough to ChatGPT massive success, OpenAI is shaping the future of AI. But how did we get here? What makes OpenAI's technology so powerful? And where is it headed next? In this video, we will break down everything: the tech, the business model, and how LLM works, and the future of AI agents. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, an investor, or just curious about AI future, this is the video for you. Let's dive in. Before that, please subscribe to my channel to get this similar kind of video content. Let's discuss about OpenAI technologies, how LLM process text, breakdown of OpenAI business, and competitive landscape of OpenAI. To understand OpenAI today, we need to look at its past. OpenAI was founded in 2015 by a group of tech visionaries, including Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Greg Brockman. At first, OpenAI was a non-profit research lab, but as AI development became expensive, they shifted to the for-profit model in 2019, attracting billions in funding, including a major partnership with Microsoft. Let's break through the history by year. In 2015, it raised with 1 billion support as a non-profit organization. In 2016, it experimented with the various AI toolkits and robotics. In 2017, the attention is all you need paper cut list. It's a major breakthrough in OpenAI. In 2018-19, GPT-1 and GPT-2 model got released. In 2019 again, in the same year, the profitable company by rising 1 billion from Microsoft. In 2020, GPT-3 model got released. Until that, it was slow pace. After that, it rised enormously. In 2021, Anthropic founded DAL-E and Codex list. In the same year, Microsoft invested more and its GitHub Copilot list. In 2022, ChatGPT launched. This was a major breakthrough in OpenAI history. Then in 2023, Microsoft again invested 10 billion and GPT-4 got released. In 2024, OpenAI O1 released, that is a reflective Gen AI. We will see this detail in the upcoming video. In 2024 again, OpenAI became the third largest private company with 157 billion revenue. In 2025, it increased to $300 billion valuation. The core idea of AI is simple: automate human tasks and mimic human intelligence. In the 1940s, the concept of neural network was first theorized. Mathematical model designed to process information like human brain. Alan Turing, the father of modern computing, imagined a machine that could learn from experience. For years, AI remained theoretical, with little real-world success. That changed in 1950s and 60s when computers became powerful enough to run early AI programs. Then came the deep learning revolution, the a real game changer. By the 2010, researchers realized that training AI on massive amount of data using neural network led to breakthrough in speech recognition, image processing, and language understanding. These models are trained on data from the complex system they will represent. The goal is to minimize loss between actual data and the predicted data. Typically, the more data provided, the better model will get. In this image represents when we are training with more examples, then the actual data and the predicted data loss is less. If you see, when we try with the 10,000 example, the actual data and predicted data loss is more. The same thing when we tried with the more examples, it is getting less. The key turning point in 2012, the AlexNet breakthrough, which used deep learning to crush image recognition challenges. In 2017, Google introduced transformers, the foundation for today's AI model. In 2022, OpenAI's ChatGPT made AI accessible to everyone. In the year 2017, Google submitted a paper, Attention is All You Need. It introduced Transformer. The key idea is attention. This helps AI to understand context. For example, float can mean different things: a boat floating on water, a parade float, or a root beer float. Transformers help AI figure out the right meaning. Now that we have explored the roots of AI, let's dive into one of the most powerful breakthroughs, that is large language models. These models are the heart of AI tools like ChatGPT. But how do they actually work? That is, breaking input into tokens. Next, mapping their meanings using embeddings. Then storing them as a vector for analysis. Let's see an example for how LLM process text. I have given a prompt. The cat sat on the mat. In the step 1, using the tokenization, this is broken down into small pieces of words. The cat sat on the mat. The prompt is broken into each small piece of word. Next, in step 2, using embedding, it's converting into meaningful mapping. Here, cat relates to animal or pet, mat relates to home or surface. In the step 3, it is converted into a numerical representation using a vector. Here, cat is converted into some numerical representation, then mat is converted to some numerical representation. These vectors allow AI to compare and understand words in different contexts. Stages of AI. In level 1, chatbots. In level 2, reasoners, that is human level problem solving. In 3, agents. The 4, innovators, AI that can aid in invention. The 5, organizations, AI that can do the work for an organization. Let's talk about AI future. Now, from ChatGPT to the smart agents, the AI agents are going to take scheduling meeting, booking vacations, responding to email, handling customer service. So the OpenAI goal is by 2025, AI agents could join the workforce, changing how business operates forever. These are the some of the OpenAI product portfolio from language models, then ChatGPT features, and also they have introduced some agents. Now the hardware also that has been introduced by the OpenAI. So let's talk about OpenAI business. So that is 72% of OpenAI revenue comes from ChatGPT. It has making a decent revenue from ChatGPT as well as the API. OpenAI's bold revenue forecast. In 2029, it is supposed to generate nearly $100 billion. That is mostly from ChatGPT and other products like video generation, search, and other software. Now, this chart is particularly redeeming for OpenAI in the context of DeepSeek announcement. Their path to 100 billion in revenue doesn't run through the API; it's run through application. In the market share of LLM, what's particularly interesting is the divergence we are seeing between model market share and application market share of OpenAI. On models, we are seeing the market become increasingly competitive, like Meta, Google, Anthropic, or keep on bringing their own models, and it is dominating and it's attracting others. Before we wrap up, here is a final thought for those still with me. We live in a world overflowing with information. Collecting data is no longer the challenge. Understanding it, applying it, and making it useful is where real value lies. So, GPU, big data, transformers, ChatGPT, and OpenAI growth. Because of this, we are in the Gen AI world. So, where does OpenAI go from here? What next for AI as a whole? Just leave your comments, guys. One thing is certain, we are just getting started. If you found this insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into AI and the future of technologies. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.